Hi, this is our presentation for the second assignment. For presenting our problem and designing our solution, we choose to use synetics as a brainstorming technique and human-centered design as a designing technique. Here we will start with describing the problem and how we came to that. Then we will make a deeper analysis of the problem to feel more familiarized with it. We will continue to find the gaps in the currently existing systems and compare them to our solution in order to emphasize the benefit coming from it. As we know, first step of synetics approach is presenting the problem. When working in the field of user interface design and human-computer interaction, first we have to know our users, since we cannot develop in something without knowing their main requests. From the researches previously done, we have noticed that home security is one of the highest concerns. When analyzing the problem, we were thinking to solve it by providing security in high level, so we decided which part should be more observed. Front yard will be monitored and sensors will be put on the front door. Also sound, smoke, water flow, motion, temperature and light detection will be inside the house. There will also be glass brick detectors, since in most of houses or stores we have places where a lot of valuable things are kept. Having in mind that the intruder alarm cannot be activated if there are people inside the house, there is chance that one or two rooms can be bypassed. Meaning that if a person tries to enter to that center room, alarm occurs. In addition, if it is not a room, it might be a locker where we keep valuable things. So in that part we will mount a magnet detector which detects when the door of that locker is opened. As technology develops, there are different solutions available, depending on platforms that are used. Furthermore, there are different spheres where security issues may apply. However, we choose to build a security system for buildings such as houses, companies, etc. Choice was made based on devices available which we think are most common nowadays for solving security issues. For building our alarming system, we decided to use Arduino and SATA platform from intruder alarming system. The built solution will be able to perform different actions. For instance, the motion detector sensor will detect motions within the place under surveillance. Moisture detectors will turn on the alarm if there is water detected within a certain place, and so on. The additional feature will be the way we will inform the owner, which is through an SMS or email anywhere and anytime. In most of the cases when people have sensors on their homes, they are not psychologically calm, because in most of the cases sensors are provocation for thief. So for not drawing attention, we will try to put sensors in places that are invisible, and installation will be done during the night. In order to keep people that install the alarm psychologically calmer, they can be updated for the state of the building through an SMS, email, wherever they are. From existing solution in our country, we saw that including all of the above-mentioned features in a single place or package was impossible. Also, we found that their solution gives information about the state of the building only in the case the alarm is activated, and notifications are available only to the securing company. Afterwards, when making a comparison between existing and our solution, we noticed that the notifying the owner is a missing feature. Thus, we plan to introduce that in our platform. As we can see, our additional feature for such existing platform is including the email and SMS notification for the state of the building, which is not common yet. Furthermore, another thing will be that our solution will offer more features in only one package. For designing the solution, we used human-centered design techniques, since we are trying to come up with a solution best fitting for our customer. After research with people, we came to the conclusion that their main request is to be updated for the state of their building whenever they are. We end up with the idea to add the email and SMS notification into our solution, and what we deliver is the whole alarming system, including the above-mentioned additional features that will be built in two platforms, Arduino and SATA's platform for intruder alarming system. Thank you for your attention, and if you have question or comment, please feel free to do that.